Hi friends, welcome to engineering projects. This is our project impersonation detection and it is initializing. For this project we have used a Raspberry Pi and the power supply to Raspberry Pi and the adapter, and this is the camera for it. Firstly, it is used in examination hall and it detects the person entering in it and authenticate the person, and we are showing the demo for it. Firstly, we are showing a person to it, to the camera, and you can see the camera and it is detected. The camera detected the person, so we are changing the person to other person, and you can see in the LCD too it is scanning. Now we have changed the person to Elon Musk and we are making it to scan, and the person is not found. In the examination center, when the person is not found, it gives a buzzer sound, and it makes the alert system so that no other person can enter into the examination hall. Thank you.